Hello and welcome to the setup and customization video for SecureDrive BT. In this video, we will be covering how to enable the Touch ID and Face ID settings in the SecureData Lock app. First, make sure that the app is open and the drive is unlocked. Next, tap on the drive name to access the settings. Now in your settings, you'll notice Touch ID, Face ID, or biometrics, depending on your mobile device. Tap the corresponding button to enable. You can now use Touch ID or Face ID to unlock your drive. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you still have questions, give us a call toll-free at 1-800-875-3230 or visit our website at www.securedrive.com.